The PharMeDoc U-shaped pregnancy pillow is designed for all-over body comfort. Our pillow is made with a high-quality polyfill that lets your body sink into comfort. The outer cover is made of our softest knit jersey. Position yourself with your back against the non-detachable section of the pillow. Our design is made to fit every curve and provide support for your entire body. Use the zippers to rearrange your pillow for a customized fit. The separate detachable cushion can be used for additional knee support, as a head pillow, or however you see fit. The versatile pillow design can also be used for reading, breastfeeding, or watching TV. To wash your pillow, remove the jersey cover. The invisible zipper is located on the side of your pregnancy pillow. Please note that the inner white shell cannot be washed. The PharMeDoc travel bag makes mobility and storage convenient and easy. Simply open the case, place your pillow inside, and go. Wishing you a happy, comfortable sleep from our PharMeDoc family to yours.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.